input and output devices, peripherals and I/O terminology. In this video, we'll explore the essential devices that allow us to interact with computers and receive information from them. Peripherals are external devices that connect to a computer to expand its capabilities beyond the core processing unit. Think of them as add-ons that enhance what your computer can do. They include everything from keyboards and mice to printers and speakers. Input devices are devices that send data into the computer system. They allow us to communicate with the computer and provide it with information. Common examples include the mouse, keyboard, microphone, webcam, scanner, and gamepad. Each of these devices converts our actions or real-world data into digital signals the computer can understand. Output devices are devices that receive data from the computer system. They display or present the results of computer processing in a form we can perceive. Examples include monitors that display visual information, printers that create physical copies, speakers and headphones for audio output, projectors for large displays, and LED indicators that show system status. Some devices can both send and receive data, making them input/output devices. Touchscreens combine display and touch input capabilities. External storage devices can read and write data. Network adapters transmit and receive network signals. Headsets with microphones handle both audio input and output, allowing for two-way communication. Peripherals connect to computers through various interfaces, which can be wired or wireless. Wired connections include USB, HDMI, DisplayPort, Ethernet, and audio jacks. These provide reliable, high-speed connections. Wireless options include Bluetooth for short-range devices, Wi-Fi for network connectivity, NFC for proximity-based communication, infrared for line-of-sight connections, and radio frequency for various wireless peripherals. USB, or Universal Serial Bus, has evolved through several standards with increasing speeds. USB 2.0 offers 480 megabits per second. USB 3.0 provides 5 gigabits per second, a tenfold increase. USB 3.1 doubles that to 10 gigabits per second. The latest USB 4.0 standard reaches an impressive 40 gigabits per second, enabling extremely fast data transfer and high-resolution video output. Devices are classified by how they can be connected. Hot-pluggable devices can be connected or disconnected while the system is running, without shutting down. Most modern peripherals like USB devices are hot-pluggable, offering convenience and flexibility. Cold-pluggable devices require the system to be shut down before connection or disconnection to prevent damage or data loss. Older internal components often required this approach. Plug-and-play, or PNP, is a feature that provides automatic device recognition and configuration without manual driver installation. When you connect a plug-and-play device, the system automatically detects it, installs the necessary drivers, and makes it ready for instant usage. This eliminates the need for complex setup procedures and makes using peripherals much simpler for users. Device drivers are software that enables the operating system to communicate with hardware devices. They act as translators, converting general operating system commands into device-specific instructions that the hardware can understand and execute. Without proper drivers, peripherals cannot function correctly, as the operating system wouldn't know how to communicate with them.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.